Alright, YouTube, what's up? Got an update on my drag mini bike trike. Got some foot pegs I welded on there. Got my motor mount. Made a little seat. Put a seat back on there. Gotta make a pad for that yet. But the engine's all mocked kind of in place where I'd like it. Oh yeah, got a guy at work making me a cool little aluminum tank to go up underneath. So that'll be sweet. We have this thing running in no time. Bought myself a throttle assembly, twist grip. So I'll put that all up on there, get it all ready. Then we'll just have to run some fuel. Got to get my keepers, locks, and stuff on here first. My spacing right. My chain on. Bolt the motor down. Yeah. Then we'll worry about the lights and everything else. Well, there's my update. Hey, what's up, Butchie? What's up? Say hi. Say hi. Peace out.